I showed you this wrap cardigan here, and yeah, I kindly ask you to tell me the exact name of this clothing item, which you probably already did, but I'm filming this the same day, so I still don't know the right expression. Anyways, I promise that I'm going to show you different ways how to wear this. It's an awesome clothing item for fall and winter period, and definitely go ahead and buy one if you can. Now in sales I think you should still, be able to get it for a good deal as well. This was originally at H&M 24 euros and 95 cents, and I got it for something around 3 euros, which is really really amazing. So let me go ahead and show you all the different ways how you can, style this wrap cardigan. So the first way is obviously the easiest way. You can just wear it loose, like this. So this is kind of oversized, loose fit for casual days, something like that. So this is the perfect way of wearing it when you still want to show other, clothes that you're wearing underneath. So that's that. The next way how to wear it, as I've said before, would be with a belt. So you can just wrap it around something like this, and then tie a belt around your waist. It can be a thin belt, if it can be a thick belt. I don't know. Today I have this one on hand, so this is another way how you can style it. This is a good way to style it when you want, to be a bit more covered and just a bit more warm. So that's you can see it doesn't have any buttons whatsoever, but you can close it with a brooch. And I will be using this pretty brooch that I actually got as a present from my dear friend and subscriber Ashwani. So you can just take one part here and one part here and secure it with the brooch. So I believe this is also a very cute way of styling it. And you can also do this thing here that will keep you very very warm. So now you have your wrap cardigan like this, and just turn around as I've said, tight on your back. You can also add a belt here if you want to, and play a little bit with the structure of your cardigan, make it, seem more like a turtleneck or like you're wearing a scarf to keep your neck really really warm. You can take the longer part from the right side and tie it with the shorter part from the left side like this, and then take the longer part from the left side and tie it with a shorter part of the right side like that. So this is another cute way of how to wear it. Then you can also just take the longer parts here and wrap it like this, very casually, or take the shorter parts and tie them as well, like this. You can also take the shorter parts and wrap them around your neck. So these are just some of the ways how to wear this wrap cardigan. As I've said, it's ideal clothing item to have because the possibilities are just endless of what you can do out of this clothing items. So I hope this was somewhat helpful, and basically there are numerous other possibilities on how to wear it. If you have any other suggestion, Don't forget to leave me a video response because I would love to learn. Thank you very much for watching. More tips on my fashion and beauty blog. The link is in the info down below this video.